Hey man, welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, going over to Mr. Muffler and get some work done to the Mustang. I don't know if you guys have been on my channel, if you're new to my channel. I have a video that's out talking about whether I should say stop or get an H-pipe. If you want to know the answer, stay tuned for the rest of the video. For the intro, man, I'm headed over to Mr. Muffler to get some work done to the Mustang. Again, like I said in the intro, I did a video a couple months ago about whether or not I'm gonna stay stock or go H-pipe. Well, I decided to go H-pipe. I went with a company called Pipes, 2.5 inch H-pipe. I'm gonna do the Resonator delete. Not necessarily all for performance, but actually want to change the sound. If I get any performance out of it, they say they give you more torque on the low end, possibly a couple horsepower again. Without dying on the car, I can't say that's actual facts, but appreciate you guys hanging out with me on this Monday morning. Going to get this done. Hope everybody's having a great Monday morning. Just ride along with me, man, while I go get this done. Try to document every step, or most of the steps, because sometimes they'll let you in the work area for safety reasons. But yeah, come on, enjoy the ride with me. All right, man, nice brisk morning for a little ride to the muffler shop. You know, it's really tough to start your day without a good cup of coffee, so go down here, grab me a cup of coffee, head over to the muffler shop. Once we get there, I'll turn the camera back on, man, and start documenting this process of installing the H-pipe from Pipes. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, let's take a look around before she go in the shop. It's a beautiful thing, man. I don't know if you guys noticed, I did get a chance to black out these tail lights. Tell me what you think, comment below. I like it, I like it. Yes, sir. Again, if you're looking for some custom exhaust work, here's your spot, Mr. Muffler Auto, Waldorf, Maryland, man. Yep. But yeah, there she is, man. I'll turn the camera back on when they take her in the bay. Alright, man, they taking it in, getting ready to do it up. So just pray for me that it sound the way I think it should sound. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, let's first start with the H-pipe. Extremely excited about the way this car sounds now, man. If you haven't done so, man, get you an H-pipe, man. Definitely, if you like the old school rumble, the deep throaty type. But man, I'm totally pleased. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. To the next video, man. Peace and blessings. I'm out.